Deep in the ancient forests, giants stand tall, ready to be harvested.
Modern machinery makes harvesting these titans possible and safe.
The high-speed saw cuts through solid wood in seconds.
Timber, a sound that shakes the ground for miles. The delimber strips away branches, leaving a perfect log.
Heavy-duty cranes are needed to lift these 20-ton logs.
Specialized trucks are required to transport such length. The journey from the forest to the mill is treacherous. Crossing rivers and valleys to reach the processing plant.
Watch out for that sharp turn at mile 42.
Finally, arriving at the Mega Sawmill, where the transformation begins.
The unloader grabs the entire load in one massive bite.
Inspectors check the quality and size of every log.
Logs are stored in water to keep them soft and prevent cracking.
The water also washes away dirt and stones.
In seconds, the rough log becomes smooth and clean.
The clean log is now ready for the saw. Metal detectors protect the saw blades from hidden dangers. The logs are cut to standard lengths for the mill. Freshly cut wood reveals beautiful grain patterns.
Computers calculate the best way to cut the log for maximum yield.
Automatic rollers position the log with millimeter precision.
It enters the heart of the mill, the head rig.
The massive bandsaw slices through the giant log like butter.
The outer slabs are removed first.
The log is rotated to square it off.
The gang saw cuts the square log into multiple boards at once. Mountains of sawdust are collected for fuel or paper.
The rough edges must be trimmed off.
Now we have clean, square lumber.
Graders check for knots and imperfections.
Defective parts are chopped out instantly.
The sorter separates the boards by length and size. Bins fill up with specific sizes of lumber. Automatic stackers create perfect bundles for drying.
The fresh wood is wet and must be dried.
Kiln drying removes moisture and stabilizes the wood.
Days of heat treatment prevent warping later.
For plywood, logs are peeled like a giant pencil sharpener. A massive blade shaves off a continuous sheet of wood. This thin sheet is called veneer, used for plywood.
High-speed clippers cut out defects and size the sheets. Sheets are stacked and graded by quality. Layers are glued together to make strong plywood.
Heat and pressure bond the layers permanently. The edges are trimmed to make a perfect 4x8 sheet. Sanders create a smooth, furniture-grade finish.
Stamped and ready for construction.
Nothing beats the smell of fresh wood. From forest giants to your home, we're looking at top grade materials, incredibly solid and durable. As you can see behind me, these massive stacks represent the incredible demand facing the construction industry right now. If you loved this sawdust journey, smash like and subscribe to Rising Story USA. American lumber is building a comeback, and it's a story on the rise.